So let's take a look at how you can install Nginx server on OpenSUSE. So what I will do is I will open terminal in OpenSUSE, and next thing I will do is I will do sudo zipper refresh, right? Okay, so once we do that, right, so everything looks up to date. Now what we will do is we will type in sudo zipper, and then we will have to check for Nginx. So sudo zipper install Nginx, right? Hopefully my spelling is correct. So let's hit enter. It will search for that particular package and it will show you, right? We have to say yes for installing it. Now that it is installed, to verify that, we will type in Nginx -v. Okay, so it may require sudo, right? So sudo Nginx -v, and it will show you the version of Nginx installed, right? Now next thing we have to do is we will have to enable the boot service for this server. So for that we'll type in sudo then systemctl, right? And then we'll have to enable, so that whenever we boot next time the server should be running, right? So I'm assuming that you're setting up OpenSUSE for this particular Nginx server. Let's use now to start it, right? So symlink is created. Now we can verify systemctl status, so space status and Nginx, right? So it will show you the service and the respective process that we just started, right? Now we can also set up firewall rules. Let me clear again. Now what we will do is we will set our particular port 80 for HTTP and port 443 for HTTPS. So to do that we type in sudo then firewall -cmd, then double dash permanent double dash zone, right, public double dash add dash service equals to HTTP. Okay, success. So we now can see our HTTP port responding to port 80 for Nginx. Now how about we do that for HTTPS? So sudo again, sudo firewall -cmd, right? Then again permanent. Only way to get this off is removing all the references to it, and that too have to be done manually. So zone public double dash and a dash service equals to HTTPS. So now, okay, so HTTP is not among existing set of service. Okay, so let me make sure that the space is properly adjusted. Okay, so both HTTPS is set up. Now what we can do is we can use sudo to set our firewall -cmd to reload. Right, hit enter and you will see your firewall is now reloaded with the new setting changes. Now what we have to do is we'll have to check for localhost, right? So go to, now here you see it says 403 forbidden and Nginx. So if you go for localhost, it should show you this Nginx message to verify whether it works or not, right? So you need to create one index.html and you have to host it within srv www, then your IP or domain, then /html. So that's the path where you need to set it, index.html. Then this message will be removed and replaced with that. So whenever you access localhost and AT should respond to that, but currently we don't have that in an index.html file, so it should be showing this 403 forbidden, but you get the message who is sending it, which is Nginx. So this is simple Nginx setup on OpenSUSE.